Ashok Sharma, CEO and Principal Designer, Homes for India Private Limited, an architecture and interior design company from Thane, Maharashtra. By qualification, I am a structural engineer, but by passion, I am an architecture and interior designer, which becomes my true identity. The need and the interest always the basic of what you are doing in your life. And I am too much crazy about beautiful buildings and interiors, that need of good reputed career, and my passion for designing encouraged me to start this business. The two persons inspire me too much. Talking about designing, so Zaha Hadid, her most beautiful designing, always inspire me to do the best. I always feel the imaginary child within her. Her creativity shows she is always a creative child mind. That's why every design made by her is very creative and fresh. Talking about business and professional career, most admirable person in my life is Mr. Radheshyamji Chandak, whom we call Bhaiji with respect. He is the founder chairman of Buldhana Urban Cooperative Credit Society Buldhana, the Asia's biggest society from Buldhana. My first project designed by me, allotted by Bhaiji, when I am a fresher and searching for good projects. He shows trust on a young boy at that time. For his school project, after 23 years, happy to say, till I am working with them. He always guided me to improve my weakness, teach me to manage lessons in professional and personal life. When you come from a small town without any sound background, the exposure for designing is limited and the people are not too much aware for the need of a designer. And for metro cities, if you are not an experienced and good contact, you have not any space there, and also need a good infrastructure there to attract the clients. So I start my work from a small town with limited scope. Once I settled there, we started online service for clients from that town. A proper design site, the content of site changed the view of the clients towards us, and we start to get clients from all over India and countries like Fiji Island, China, Hong Kong, Ghana, Tanzania, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and proud to say we also execute design projects for 2 bungalows at Islamabad, Pakistan. This will encourage us to move forward as our online identity helps us to settle anywhere in India. And at one stage we are also become financially sound. Then we decided to start our design studio at Thane with state-of-art design studio, a team of 14 dedicated architects and interior designers. At present, we have 2 design studios at Thane and Buldhana to serve our clients better. I am from a lower middle class family. My childhood passed in a slum. My father is carpenter. Always dreamed to a better house, as our shelter had many leakages in rainy season. When I was 13 years old, my father started to work under an architect on a construction site at Buldhana. I frequently visited there with him. Very soon, I was able to read and understand the drawings, the technical details on plans. Therefore, I helped my father and other workers to understand it. When the architect of the project visited the site, everyone, including the owner of the project, always welcomed him warmly. They gave him lots of respect and scheduled their timing as per his convenience, as he only visited there once in a month from a metro city, because earlier in our town didn't have architect to handle such big projects. Spending time with father on the sites, I was very impressed with the treatment that architect was given. His designs were most beautiful things I had ever seen, considering the fact that I had only seen slum houses made up of planks, sheets, and lots of leakages and improper ventilation. This made me curious to learn more and more about construction related activities. I always observed my father and tried to copy their work by making prototypes with details. when I was in school. This laid a foundation for me and helped me to understand the designing and details needed for both construction and interiors. While work on construction sites during school days, I understood that civil engineers play the most important role in designing the buildings. I was confused, but at the same time I was impressed and attracted by the designs made by the architects. I know the technical details behind every design and the structure made by an engineer. That's why I know that for a better and sustainable design, you must have good technical knowledge about it first. I finally decided that I wanted to pursue a structural engineering. My biggest challenge started from here. Due to poor financial condition and family responsibilities on my father, we could not afford to pay rupees 4,000 per year for engineering. After 12, I was depressed, thinking about the fact that I had to start working as a carpenter and help my father on construction site instead. But where there is a will, there is a way. One day, the owner of construction site where my father worked called me on his bungalow and asked me about my further studies. I am speechless. I had no answer, so I just stood there quietly in front of him. He understood my situation and he asked me again. Finally, I told him that I wish to pursue architecture or civil engineering. He helped me financially for my admission. It was the happiest moment in my life, and every single day I was getting closer to my dream. Working from last 23 years, I learned be consistent and fair with your profession. With every design project, it is for you, only not for any client, so that the results are better and beautiful. My advice for aspiring entrepreneurs in designing: creative people are always welcome here. So if you have creative mind, don't worry for anything. You have everything for success. Keep trying on positive note.